Upbeat music plays in the background, and the camera zooms in on the two steam mops. The Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop is on the left, and the Shark Steam and Scrub S8001 is on the right. Hey, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the world of steam mops. On my left, we have the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop, and on my right, the Shark Steam and Scrub S. Let's see which mop comes out on top. First up, let's talk about price. The Genius Steam Mop is priced at $129, while the Scrub Mop is slightly higher at $139. According to Amazon reviews, many users found the S5003D to be a budget-friendly option with excellent cleaning capabilities. However, those who splurged on the S8001 praised its versatility, making the extra cost feel worthwhile for its scrubbing features. If you're on a budget, you might want to consider the Genius. But if you've got a little extra cash, the Scrub Mop could be worth it. Now, let's get into cleaning power. The S5003D features a Genius head with direct steam channeling, which users say is effective for removing tough stains. Reviewers have noted that it can tackle years of dirt with ease. On the other hand, the S8001 boasts over 150 scrubs per minute, receiving rave reviews for its powerful scrubbing action. It's like having a tiny robot army cleaning your floors. Speaking of cleaning power, the S8001 has 3 steam modes: light, normal, and deep. This versatility is highlighted in several reviews, with users appreciating the ability to switch settings based on the mess. The S5003D also has 3 settings, but some reviewers felt it could use clearer explanations on how to utilize them effectively. It's like saying, "I'm smart, but I'm not telling you how smart I am." Let's dive into features. The S5003D has touch-free technology to change mop pads without getting your hands dirty, which many users found magical. Meanwhile, the S8001 features LED headlights, making it easier to see the dirt you're cleaning. Users have loved this handy addition, calling it Hollywood for your floor cleaning. Both mops come with washable pads, which is a big plus. The S5003D has double-sided dirt grip pads, while the S8001 features dirt grip soft scrub pads. Reviewers of the S5003D appreciate the dual cleaning surfaces, while those who use the S8001 enjoy its scrubbing capabilities. It's a true battle of the pads. Overall, the reviews for the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop highlight its affordability, ease of use, and effective cleaning capabilities. Users love its powerful steam and innovative features like touch-free pads. Meanwhile, the Shark Steam and Scrub S8001 receives high praise for its scrubbing power, versatility, and user-friendly design, making it a great option for those looking to maintain a clean home without harsh chemicals. So which mop should you choose? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, smart cleaning option, the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop is your guy. But if you want to feel like a cleaning superhero with scrubbing powers and headlights, then the Shark Steam and Scrub S8001 is your best bet. If you enjoyed this showdown, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which mop you think is the real MVP. Until next time, keep buying smart and mopping like a pro. Bye!